Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I will be rating my fidgets from 1 to 10. 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. And I do have a lot of these as well. Comment down below if these counts as fidgets or what, because they was in the fidget aisle at the dollar store. I'm giving this one a 9 out of 10. The reason why, because if I keep stretching it, I don't know if it would break. Comment down below if these break easily. So I'm giving this one a 9 out of 10. And plus, the other thing that I noticed is the words is coming off in the back. Like it is. And the moon one, which I really do like this one. Like I really do. So I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. Once again, a 9 out of 10. Like, I'm not complaining about the words coming off. Like, I'm not complaining about them. So heads up for them. And if anyone was wondering how much was this, it's $1.25 for 1 pack. And you get all these in the back of it. And I have no idea if I completed the set, like, of this. Or if I'm missing, like, a little bit more for the Christmas set. And I am wearing How the Grinch Stole Christmas because I really do like that movie. The one that I really like the most is the live action one that has Jim Carrey into it. For the Christmas tree one, but yeah, the words is coming off. I don't care about that. Look at there. That does not bother me at all. So therefore, the Christmas tree one, a 9 out of 10 as well. The reason why, because the stuff is coming off, like the face of it. Comment down below if the stuff really does come off of it, like the black ink. Like right there. I'm just curious about that because I never owned emojis before. So this is the first. And the deer one, reindeer. Comment down below if you know if this is a reindeer or a deer alone. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. Comment down below if this is a snowman or what. Because it does look like a snowman, like a little bit, so heads up. I'm giving this one... Okay, I'm not going to stretch it too far because it did break like a little bit. But I am giving this an 8 out of 10 because it did broke right here. Like right there. So therefore I'm giving this one an 8 out of 10. And the face is coming off on this one. like right there. But once again, like how I said, I don't care if the stuff comes off because this is the first time I even owned these. So therefore, a 9 out of 10 for this. But I do have a question for them. Like right there, the question is, do they get dirty fast? Like right there, do they get sticky fast? Like right there, if you keep like playing with them, like right there. I'm sorry for asking, but I was just wondering. And I was right, this one is a polar bear. So I am giving this one a 10 out of 10 because it is cute and all that's a heads up. So I am giving this one a 10 out of 10. And a snowflake one that I have. I am giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. Comment down below if this is a dog or a reindeer, because to me, it looks like both. Look at there. But I am giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. And I believe that this one is a Santa Claus one. The reason why I asked because from the hat. And I am giving this one a 9 out of 10. The reason why, because when I stretch it and all that, like right there, it gets like thin in the back. And in that pack, I have a Christmas tree, a 10 out of 10 for that, and I have a Santa Claus hat. I am giving this one a 9 out of 10. The reason why, because when I stretched it, it was tearing right here. But yeah, you can't beat this for like $1.25 for each pack for emojis. So I'm giving that one a 9 out of 10. This one's like really cute. Like really cute. I'm giving this one a 9 out of 10 as well. Oh yeah, question. How long do emojis last if you keep playing with them? I'm sorry for asking. And I'm giving this stocking a 10 out of 10 as well. I'm giving this snowman a 10 out of 10. And I really do like this snowflake right here. So I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. For this one, for the light bulb one, I'm going to say an 8 out of 10 because it is tearing a little bit right here on the side. So I'm giving this one an 8 out of 10. And for this one, 8 out of 10 as well. For the emojis that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 for the emojis. So if anyone was wondering how many emojis I have, now you know. It's 20 for them. And yes, I am planning on getting more emojis like right there. That's if they have it in stock at Five Below. Like right there, Myers, Walmart. Like where I buy my Fidgets stand. And I always buy them at the dollar store as well. I am giving this one a 10 out of 10. I really like the stress balls lately. Like, I really do. And my main ones has to be the Poppets. That's my favorite as well. That's the two that I have more of, is those two. This one is like a little bit sticky, but I don't mind it. I'm giving this one a 9 out of 10. Same like this red one, besides the other red one. It is sticky, but I do like it because I never owned these before for these stress balls. So I want to say a 9 out of 10 for this red one as well. This one's not sticky at all. It's not. I want to say for this stress ball, a 10 out of 10. I do recommend the Christmas stuff. They're good there, even though I got them in December. They're good there. And completely forgot to make a video onto them in December because I was busy. But 10 out of 10 for this. And I am on my last two for the Christmas like Poppets. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10. This is the first time I even own a Christmas Poppet. I am on my last one for it. This one's like a little bit hard just to keep the pops down onto it. It is like a little bit hard for me to do that. Like, I don't know if anyone can see that. I mean, I'm giving this one, like, I'm sorry for doing this, but I am giving this one a 6.5 to 7 for this poppin'. If it did, like, stay down, like it there, instead of going back up and all that, then I'll give it, like, a higher number. Like, I would give it a higher number for this. But I am giving this one a 6.5 to a 7. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I hope that everyone enjoyed this video.